What's going on, Ghost Squad? Trey here, the Ghost Tactical, at my home range, the Cleveland County Shooting Club here in beautiful Heber Springs, Arkansas. Today, my boy here, Baker, and I, both Marines, we're going to go through some home defense situation stuff where we talk about a two-man room clearing drill. Now, this might not seem like it's important to you, but if you're in your house and you have a home invasion and you and your wife or you and your husband and you and whoever's in the house need to get to another bedroom, another room to get to the kids or some loved ones, you might want to know how to strategically and tactically be able to work as a team and get to from point A to point B. I'm going to be on point. I'm going to come through. I'm going to take the right side of the room. Baker's going to come in right behind me, clear out the left side of the room, and after we're both done, we will start marching up the sides.
Right side clear! Left side clear. Right side clear! Left side clear.
The second drill we're going to work on is, once again, we're going to come in. We're both going to clear our corners first, simulate a hallway, moving up a hallway, and have enemies down the hallway. So we're going to have two different scenarios depending on how your house is laid out. We're going to get some work done. Like I said, I hope you never have to use this scenario in real world, but if you ever have a home invasion and you've got to get from point A to point B, and you and your partner or your wife or your husband or whoever's out there have got to work as a team, you have a lot of things going on here. Not only do you have to know where each one is going to be going, but you also have nonverbal communication. Before we move up the hallway, we're going to give a little nod, or we're going to give some sort of hand signal that says we're moving on. You always want to work as a team, especially if you're working with hallways and you work with open rooms, because you want to have the best tactical advantage you have over the enemy. And if you're communicating with each other and you know where each other are, you're going to survive the threat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope it helped. Semper Fi.